Where are we off to today then, Dave?
Well, campers, fellow motorhomes, we are actually off. We've left Pratshire's farm. We're supposed to go for 3 nights and we ended up doing 2. And we thought it was a bit sort of rural for us. Nice, but rural. So we thought we're going to go and have 4 nights at Unity Farm, Breen. We thought we'd go somewhere where the tourists don't go, so we thought we're going to Breen. Unity Farm. We've got the grandkids coming down on Friday for a couple of nights, so we've got 2 days of peace and 2 days of mayhem. Can't wait. We're about 43 miles away from Unity Farm. What we tried to do is break the journey up, Brixham, long drive down to Brixham. That was like 7.5 hours down there. Then we went to 60 miles then to Exmouth. Then we got another 60 miles to Brean. So it's broke the journey up, and then it's 100 miles home then on the Sunday. So I should do a bit of a review of the sites and a bit of a sightseeing and all that, and weather's permitting, we'll go on the beach. So catch you all in a bit. A little park up in Burnham-on-Sea, just we'll get the shop before we go to Unity. Will I get a ticket? I'm over the line. Harsh if they do. Can't go back any further, look. There's the sea over there. Weather's raining, but we're on. Arrived at Unity Farm, Breen in Somerset, and we always have a little rule. The wife, there she is, look, always goes in and gets the gear. It's like a written rule that we have, signed into my wedding contract. Here we are. So I'll show you where a picture's in a minute. Go to Somerset, they said. Lovely weather in Somerset, they said. Hardly any rain forecasted, they said. Look at that. I've bought me golf brolly, so I don't care. You think, happy campers? Are we hardcore or what? Hardcore campers. Looks like the sun's come out today a bit. This site is absolutely massive. There's only 10 fields. And every pitch is ran to the hills. It's quite expensive as well, so about 40 quid a night down here. But beggars can't be choosers. We couldn't get nowhere because of the COVID, so this is the only place we could get in Breen. But we have had some cheap sites, so. Take a quick look. I'll show you around the side, but it'd take me forever. Oh, there we are. Let's do a quick. I'll show you some bits and pieces later, but look. No space, there's not one space on this field. How much money these will take you? Thousands. Nice little pitch there, we've got water on the site, on the pitch. There's a good ticket. Yeah, I'll show you our little setup. The lounge area up there. Kitchen. Now look at all that stuff there, because we've got the kids coming down tomorrow, 2 grandkids and a daughter. So we'll sling the kids up the top, which we've made. So there, I don't know if it's like yours, but that's like a toy world and junk world all behind there. But the good part about this van is that, and what we tend to do is take the cushions off and just leave them off, so you can sit on there. Got their own bedroom. Sit on there. Watch the telly, all the racing's on, look. There you go. So it looks, so all that's all by the driver's seat up there. The kids there. When my daughter comes, that pulls out there for a bed. So we've got 2 nights of mayhem when the grandkids come. And there's the wife reading a book. Wave, wife. There she is with the radio. Yeah. And have you noticed what my radio's plugged into? Plugged into my little, not transformer, what do you call it? Little battery pack. Brilliant. What a piece of kit that is. Must be Cadillac cover. Just walk around here. We've got storms tonight apparently, so like I say, the site is rammed. There's not I've even putting them on the sides there, look. So I'll get the awning in tonight. Got my little straps, managed to break one but still managed to do it. So it's not a bad little setup actually. This motorhome is fantastic. But look, it's about a 10-15 minute walk into Breen. Your flags, you've got your what's name pitches. There's got to be 3,000 pitches here on this site. I don't think you'll find a bigger site than this. It's just giant, enormous. It takes you 15 minutes to walk off the field onto the road. But there you go. There's the old setup. What a great, lovely van this is. How they build them, like. Brilliant. Catch you in a bit. We'll make a run for it now. Oh, here we go. The weather. Oh my god. Filming. It's funny. Saturday morning. Hurricane winds to enter rain. The Rugrats have all arrived. Hello, Rugrat. Rugrat 1. Rugrat 2. There's the Terror. There, Josie. Doing a bit of a bacon butties and sausage. And just look at the coolest number plate, motorhome number plate ever. Look at that there. How cool is that? How much is that worth? Right, Jose. Can't get over it. The bloke said it came with a van, the bloke must have been mad. Wave holes. There's Stanley, look. His mum's gone jogging on that 5k Burnham-on-Sea thing. And he's pining. We've got 2 dogs at home, we can't bring him. One don't like people, my greyhound. Doesn't like people at all, just because mental. And the little one is just, gets tired after about 10 steps. So, there you go. There's Trouble. Here we are, off for our little walkabout. Looks like market, play area, beach. God knows where we're going. Smile then. Hey, wave. Webb's Motorhome Adventures and guests. Noisy guests. Little park up there, £4 for the day. Bring your motorhome, Breen, right by Breen Leisure Centre. That's handy if you want to come have a day out. Park up there for the day, £4. Job's a good one. It'll be a long couple of hours, market, minuses. Breen market every Saturday. It's a good one. The market, there's the wife, look. She disappears without telling you. Big market. Don't forget, guys, every Saturday in Breen during the summer period. They do a Wednesday one as well, and a Sunday's car boot. Unity Farm. Let's drive into Breen. We're going down by the cliffs. Breen down. yourself some potatoes, slice them thin, put them on there, bit of pepper on them, herb, bit of garlic butter, and they're absolutely lovely. They're better than chips. Little tip for you from Webb's Motorhome Adventures. Might start my own cooking chat now. I'm not that good yet, but these are really, really nice. Slice them thin, get them on there. Right, morning cameras. The last day of our 9-day break. It's gone so quick. Massive clean up now because the grandkids have been here. You know what grandkids are like. So on the way home I should do a review of the 3 sites. Couldn't do much vlogging really because the wind was really heavy and it picks up. I woke up this morning and it's been pouring down the rain all night and I've left the awning up. So I'm just thinking what to do next with the awning. But apart from that, lovely 9 days. I'll catch up with you in a bit on the way home. Morning campers, that's it, on the way home. I've had 9 days, the most time we've ever spent in the motorhome. We had nearly a 7-hour drive down to Brixham. Great time down there, met some friends down there. And then we packed up, went to Exmouth, a little farm in the middle of nowhere, which was nice. We had 4 days at Unity, which was nice. Met the daughter and the grandkids. But as the 3 sites go, my favourite one was the Brixham site. I thought that was nice. That was a nice walk into Brixham. The Pratshires one is literally in the middle of nowhere. We cut a day short there, went to Unity. But Unity is so commercialised, it was just too big. But being the COVID, them 3 sites was the only 3 sites we could literally get at short notice. So beggars can't be choosers. But I had a great time. But look at the traffic now, look. Yeah, traffic. But yeah, so on the way home, 9 days. We've got a weekend kids break on the 20th of August at Brecon Beacons. But all in all, loved it. There's a few little minor problems with the motorhome. Minor as in, well not really. Toilet flush wasn't not flushing properly. Bloke said bang it, tap it in that, so it looks like it's working again. Just minor, literally minor things like, but all in all, it's lovely night's sleep every night, nice and comfy. But I couldn't do much vlogging in Breen because the wind was that strong. So I've had to, I'm going to get one of them little mics, you know, them little microphone things you put on, and a Bluetooth thing. My son-in-law's going to pick the one out to get. Apart from that, that's it. Back to the grind tomorrow. I'll go to that Brixham site though. If you ever want to go to Brixham, what was the name of that site, wife?
Mill Farm? Mill.
No, it wasn't Mill Farm. I can't remember. It's on me
It
earlier.
was country, no, it was Mill something.
No, it was
Wall Park.
Wall Park. Very basic, but
Nice, I thought.
but lovely site. Right, walking distance to Brixham Harbour, which was fantastic. Brixham's a beautiful place. And then
and Exmouth, I like.
yeah, and Exmouth, because we couldn't, we had to go where the campsites are free. We had a day in Exmouth, and it was beautiful, lovely. But there's a place there, Exmouth Rugby Club, right in the middle of the town, with motorhomes you can park there. So next time we're going to look for that, because I wouldn't mind having a good old visit at Exmouth. Because Exmouth, you get a chance, guys. Exmouth's really, really nice. So we only spent a day because it was in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, all in all, 9 days. It's our biggest tour so far. Apart from the traffic. The traffic's been terrible. Like people staying away. They're not going away on me. But all in all, I'll put 3 vlogs on. Well, I will do soon when I get back. Hope you enjoy them. Like and subscribe. Happy camping, and I'll catch you all again. Dave from Webb's Motorhome Adventures.